Hi, I'm Sandeep. I'm the Customer Success Manager at Design and Buy. I help printers every day to grow their business online and also help in growing the revenues. I understand the customer pain points by regularly discussing with them on their business needs and accordingly share that with the product team in our regular brainstorming sessions. After I attended the pre-launch demo of our new version, I'm really happy to share that all-in-one Web2PRINT 4.0 is actually the culmination of the customer feedbacks I get and the desired experiences. What I like the most about the new version is its lightning speed fast, like the website loading is really fast. Apart from that, it has a seamless designing experience for desktop and mobile, and also it has a very fast checkout. Apart from that, the backend has really been simplified so that even a first time user, they can easily manage the store, they can set up the store, they can manage the orders, and that too without any prior training because it's completely hassle free. So do not miss this opportunity to attend the grand launch of our new version. Please register now. Really looking forward. We are eager to wait. Thanks.